In this video, I will show you how to track your button with click text and send data Google Analytics 4. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we just go to our Google Tag Manager accounts and we just connect our website and Google Tag Manager and our Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics. I hope you can do it. So first of all, we just go to our variable sections. And give me some time and go to the category options and just open this kind of options: the click element, click class, click id, click trigger, click url, and click text. Okay, so now we just preview it. Simply just preview it and just connect. So our Google Tag Manager and our website is already connected. So you guys just see that there are many kind of button here: the shop now, the find more. Look at the shop now, the checkout, the shop now. We just click any kind of buttons here. Just click this kind of buttons and go to our tag assistant. So just look at that. There's just go to the link click options. There is a variable options and just scroll down and look at that. There is a click text. The click text was shop now. So we just trigger it shop now button and just tag it. So let's go to the tag options. Give me some time, there is a loading here. So just click the new options, click the pen icon and just select Google Analytics 4. Okay, and just send the measurement id, analytics measurement id. So just go to the admin options and go to the data stream. Inside there, and that is my measurement id. So just copy it and just paste here, and we just write our event name. So just write button click text. Okay, and just trigger it. So we just click the plus icon and just select the just click options and just select the click text. Okay, and just copy the shop now. Okay, just copy it and just paste here. Okay, and just write our trigger name. Just write button click trigger and just save it. It's already here. Okay, just button click text. Okay, and just save it. Okay, and look at that, our total process is okay. We just send data our Google Analytics 4. There is a measurement id, there are our event name, and there is my trigger. So we just write our tag name. Just write button click text tag. Okay, and just save it. Now we just submit it and just preview. We just see that our total work is actually work or not. So just submit, go to the WordPress and just preview it, and we just send data our Google Analytics 4. So we just see our total process is okay or not. So that's why we just go our debug view options. Okay, look at that, our Google Analytics and our website is already connected. So we just select just click this options and go to the tag assistant. We just see that our button click text is already fire here, and we just go to the analytics and just look at that, is the button click text is already here. So that is a simple process how to track your buttons. I hope you can understand. Inside any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.